Welcome to my channel.
In this video we will learn Pt6c-67c engine compressor and its major components. Just look at this picture. This is the picture of a compressor and its airflow. We will learn all the functions step by step. So let's start first from what is the function of compressor. Function: supply correct amount of air at the necessary pressure for the combustion process. Drive all front-mounted accessory. Using compressor's rotation, the compressor draws air into the engine. The air is compressed before delivery to the combustion chamber area. Compressed air is used to sustain combustion in order to supply the energy necessary to drive the compressor. And the power turbine supply cooling air for hot section. Components: supply air to seal bearing compartments. Supply hot air for airframe services. The compressor inlet case directs air into the compressor. Support number 1 bearing forms the oil tank. Piccolo holes in hollow struts generate pre-swirl. Sight glasses allow for quick oil level check. Cooling fins for additional oil cooling. Compressor. 3 major components. Compressor inlet case. Number 1 bearing flexible housing. Air inlet screen. Now in front of you 3 main components are mentioned. If you like our videos then subscribe and comment for next part. Compressor inlet case. The compressor inlet case is a circular, machined aluminum casting. It forms an annular plenum chamber for the passage of air to the compressor inlet. When mated to the accessory gearbox, the rear face of the inlet case and the front face of the accessory gearbox rear housing form the space for the integral oil tank. Capacity 6.28 liters, 1.66 US gallon. 6 hollow struts with holes, piccolo holes, are equally spaced within the inlet case plenum chamber. No. 1 bearing flexible housing. The flexible housing reduces propagation of vibrations generated by the compressor rotor. The number 1 bearing, air seal and bearing housing are installed in the center bore of the compressor inlet case. The bearing housing is attached to the centerboard flange No. 1 BRG by 6 bolts. The number 1 bearing outer race is installed in the bearing flexible housing. Inner bore by an externally threaded retaining nut, retaining ring and nut locking sleeve. Air inlet screen. The air inlet screen is a 0.250-inch, 6.4 mm open mesh screen wrapped and bolted around the periphery of the inlet case. It prevents unwanted material to enter the compressor. The air inlet screen is a single wrapped around screen.